In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the Steam language back to English. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Steam on your PC, and up in the top left corner, go ahead and select this little Steam button. From the menu that does open, go ahead and scroll down and select Settings. And this is usually the second option from the bottom if it is kind of hard to tell since, yours might be in a different language. Once the Steam settings window does open, look to the left-hand menu, and what you're looking for is an interface setting, just like so. It kind of has like a little small computer screen icon next to it. Select that, and up at the top, you're going to see an option for Steam Client Language with a little drop-down menu next to it. Simply go ahead and select that, and then from here, scroll through and select English. If Steam already isn't set to English, just scroll through the list until you find it and then select it. And after choosing English, Steam will ask you to restart the client. So go ahead and just close out of Steam and then reopen it up, and that is it. Everything will now be in English. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.